I'm Catherine Chess. I'm your nutritionist and joyful living coach. And today we're cooking up my favorites, ridiculously delicious blueberry truffles. But they're not your ordinary truffle. Oh, no, no, no. They are loaded with antioxidants and they're so good for you. But they don't taste like it. They taste so delicious. And there's only 4 ingredients, so they're easy. Today we're making a little mini version because sometimes it's nice to make just a little bit so you're not tempted to eat those treats all week long, right? So all you put in are some frozen blueberries. There we go. You make these in your food processor. You can use walnuts or pecans. Today I'm using walnuts, and just make sure they're organic. They're so much better for you. Organic pitted dates. You want to make sure they're pitted. And even if they say pitted on the box, just check them. Squeeze them, see if there's a little pit inside, because sometimes they miss pulling the pits out. And if you put it in the food processor, you're going to have this chunky pit and you won't be happy. Last ingredient is raw cacao. It's a cocoa powder, but it's the purest form. They just take the nibs and they grind them up. So we're going to throw these all in the food processor, and now we're going to blend. Yay, the ridiculously delicious blueberry truffles. They're complete. And now we're going to make these into little balls. So let me show you how it works. You just roll them up in your hands, goopy, yummy hands. And then I like to roll them in a little more raw cacao, or I put them in some unsweetened. This is just some coconut. You can also roll them in something like hemp seeds. Just make them healthy, or any other nut, maybe some almonds. That would be really good. And I really want you to think about the sweetness in your life, because when we sweeten our lives with things other than these yummy treats, how do you do that like in a red hot minute? It's your choice. I want you to think about what you can do right now to bring you the most joy, the most yummy and delicious feelings in your life. Got that? And when you think about that, even if you're in a crappy situation, you can bring yourself up and elevate yourself. Happiness is our choice. So go out and make yourself happy. I'm Catherine Chess. I'm your nutritionist and joyful living coach. I help you to rebalance your hormones, renew your energy, and love, love, love your life. But more importantly, I help you to love yourself. Go love yourself and make these. They're really good. Enjoy them for the times you just need a little sweet treat. See you soon. Bye-bye.